Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that very, very popular Stihl 090 chainsaw. This is a 1976 model. And this one features a 28-inch bar and chain. That's a sprocket nose bar. With a 404 chain, skip sequence, 63 gauge. Skip is the spacing between the teeth, and the chisel bit is a square tooth chain. Very popular combination. You'll be very hard pressed to find anything quite as nice as this one. This one was bought new in '76, used on one job, and been hanging in the shop ever since. It was a power head hanging, and I picked it up from the original guy, and he actually did put his initials in the bottom and the year he bought it. I'll show you that too. It's all original. There are no import parts on it, and we'll take a close-up look at it. Choke is right here. Kill switch is on the opposite side. Fuel reservoir right here. And the decompression valve, very nice feature to start this high compression motor. And I did do a compression check, and the reason I don't do many compression checks is because they don't post, Stihl or Husqvarna or any of the manufacturers post a comparison ratio. There are so many variations that it's not really accurate. But anyway, this one did test at 175 psi. It's got the old saw with a log here, original. Handlebars are just in perfect shape, excellent shape. The muffler's in perfect shape. It's got the very large falling spikes. And the other side's very clean too. Really nice. Oil reservoir. Has an automatic oiler in here, plus a manual override. And here's the initials right underneath here, and the year that it was purchased. And if you look right in here, you see how clean this is. I'll try to zoom in there for you. Normally this just packs up with sawdust pitch in here. Very clean. See the cylinder, how clean it is. And the airbox. Looking for these 090s. This is a very clean one. Big German muscle saw.